up, glam dolls? I am BBDesire, and this is BBDesire Glam, the one-stop shop for all your beauty desires. Hey y'all, welcome back to BBDesire Glam. I am checking in today because we got a package. I finally got my Supreme Lux Lashes from another girl boss. Y'all know I love my girl bosses. She's based out of Georgia. And look how cute. Cutest packaging. It came in a rose gold package. She had all of her business contact info, business cards, promotional materials in the box so that I was very clear on how to find her online or repurchase with the business. From these cute clear cases with a glitter background, which if you know me, you know I love the glitz and glam, so I loved that. A fully closed case, and maybe you don't understand how important these are to keep your lashes safe and protected, to keep your eyes safe and protected. And on the bottom, again, so you guys can see, you will see the name of the lash. So I have 3 pair. And so I'm not confusing the 3. It's just super convenient to be able to like look at the front and know exactly which ones I want to grab. I was already super excited and impressed with the package when I received it, which I feel like is a really big deal these days. The experience of opening the actual package is just as big to me as the quality of the product. So Supreme Lux Lashes Girl Boss, you have already got a fan in me just for the packaging and the way it was presented and put together. So we're gonna go start with Queen. And you guys know I love my duo black lash glue. That's my go-to. So that's what we'll be using today as adhesive to keep those on. Again, guys, I'm a handsy girl, so I'm not using tweezers to apply these today. I'll just be using my hands. So I just like to pre-prep my lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and generously apply that adhesive towards the front of the band, front top tip, and then I'm just gonna set it and do the other one and give that a chance to dry a little and get tacky. As soon as they're tacky, I know a lot of you ladies hit me and that's one of my main questions, like, how do you get good at the lashes? It's so hard for me. And I tell people it's really all about, to me it's less about the method and more about what glue you're using, because with the right adhesive and not just trying to apply it on as soon as you put the adhesive on there, letting it become tacky, making sure that you're pre-cutting those lashes if you need to and prepping them prior will make the process so much easier for you. You can literally just center it in your eye and place it right on and it'll do the work for you. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, BBDesire Glam, if it's your first time with us. Welcome. So happy to have you. Today, we are just reviewing Supreme Lux Lashes. And we have 3 styles to go through. This is style Queen. And I'm literally just finding the center. And sitting them on. And then going through to like adjust them for exactly where I want them. And these. Oh, these are everything. Yes, one fierce sleek lash. Look at that. Y'all see that? Do you see that? Look at the difference. Girl, sign me up. Take all the money. Yep. I want him. I need him. Same thing on the other side, guys. And you know what I love about these? So I know you ladies are all about your 25 millimeters, but these are just like the perfect length for my preference. I don't feel like I'm getting ready to like fly away, but I still have the drama that I want. They're super light. The band is so like light and not, I mean, I have a huge eyelid area anyway, so big bands don't necessarily like get in the way, but I know some of you ladies like look for the thicker drama lashes, but you like the thin band. And these are like a nice medium. I'm not gonna tell you they're like a super thin band, but I feel like they feel like a super thin band. And these are just absolutely gorgeous. You guys see these like just press them in to just combine them. And this is style Queen. This is the first pair out of 3 she sent us. And these are gorge. I love these. They're just cute, perfect in length. Weightless. Feels like nothing. So cute. So cute. Moving on. Those queens, the first pair I just took off, they remind me of like a cat eye look. So if you like the slanted look where it naturally progresses and it's longer on the outer corners than the inner corners, Queen is the style for you for Supreme Lash. So next, let's do Tamara. We'll do Tamara next. And you look like this. Gorgeous. And just place that on. I just really love these lashes for my personal taste. The length to me is just perfect. They're not like overwhelming. I feel like they don't go up to my brow. They still give me the drama. Because I feel like without a lash, I look like a 9-year-old little boy. Like that's just really, really gorgeous. I feel like this is just like full and wispy, like from start to finish, all the way across the eye. I really love that. It's adorable. So when y'all let that glue get tacky, it just literally, it does all the work. Like it makes putting on a lash like 1, 2, 3. So this is them. Love these, and this is the style Tamara. So pretty. Love those. Last pair is gonna be Eva. I saved these for last because I might just keep these on all day. So I think this is the pair that was speaking to me today. Should be tacky. Just find your center and just drop it right on there. And I know you guys never see me cut my lash. I have a long lash line, so I usually, for most brands, don't have to alter the lash at all. For those that do, when multitasking goes wrong. For those that do, just make sure you're always clipping from the outer corner and you're never clipping from the inner corner. Yeah, this is me, what I thought. That's why I saved this one for last. This is gonna be today's wear. Where I'm going? Nowhere. I don't know. I don't have nowhere to go, but can I just walk around with a cute lash on? This is the one. Supreme Lux Lashes, ladies. Again, I'll make sure that I tag them and leave their info in the comment section, so make sure you go check them out. Check out her website. I know she was running a special at one point. I can't promise y'all it's still going, but I would go grab them if they are, because literally they are all bomb. All three. There wasn't a pair I didn't like, so 5-star ratings across the board for me. This lash is just so pretty. Look at that. It's just gorgeous, right? It's giving me like bedroom dreamy eyes. So yeah, I think Shorty's keeping these on all day today. These are them. Hey Eva girl. Hey. Say hey to Eva, y'all. Thank you so much, Supreme Lash, for sending these to you, girl. On Instagram, you can find or follow or go shop with them at Supreme Lux Lashes, or visit the website www.supremeluxlashes.com. And if you have any questions on anything, need more info on the products, info@supremeluxlashes.com is the email address. Again, this is another girl boss, and I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. So if I wouldn't wear it and I don't like it, I'm definitely not gonna tell you to go out and spend your hard-earned money on it. But these are quality and cute packaging, which is exciting. And I'll tell you guys, typically I get anywhere from probably the lowest, probably like 15 up to 25 wears out of any of like the lashes that I purchase. And that's why I'm really big on packaging in containers, because this will be your best friend. Start really putting them back in the containers that you have, putting them in the cases, and try to put the eyes in the right location so that you can keep that band secured. When you do, if you're wearing a lot of mascara and you get buildup or eyeshadow in them, make sure you're using a spoolie brush. I take some antibacterial soap and wash them, brush it through, don't soak them, let them sit out and air dry, and then brush them out. And that's how you can get good wear out of your lashes, ladies. So stop like rebuying lashes all the time. Get you a few different pair. Like I have 3 styles of these. Get you 3 styles that you really just love and take care of them. Like one lash could easily last you a month. So this was exciting. I was excited to come show you guys my new goodies. I love when BBDesire Glam gets goodies from other girl bosses, because you know we gotta support each other. So again, Supreme Lux Lashes. And these last ones were in the style Eva. So we had Queen, Tamara, and Eva. There's many other styles, so if you guys weren't a fan of any of these in particular, go check them out for yourself and find a style that suits you. I'm so happy with the selection. So yep, you know the drill. Until next time, ladies, stay surrounded in love and light.